Okay, so basically the honey and the corn syrup are basically close together. Like their color is the same. So basically, good thing that the honey is a little higher than the corn syrup. So basically, we know that. Okay, so yeah, I can see that they're separated. This corn syrup is a little higher.
Yeah. Okay.
than the honey. So now it's time for the dawn dish. It's called, which has the 1.03.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna add this little guy in here, and I'll just pour it down on the side. Get a better look at this. Maybe in the middle sometimes. Yeah, let's go with the middle. I think the middle's better.
I think the middle's making it go down in the middle of the thing. It's just making it shoot with force. Yeah, turn it sideways and let it go in slowly, because when you use the force of when it drops from a high point, the weight is making it drop down into the bottom, and it's going to mix your layers up. So try to do it down the side of turn it sideways, let it run in slowly. That way you don't have that laws of physics where
Well, that's something that I learned.
Yeah, sorry, I'm going a little bit over that. It's just whenever you drop something from a high level, it has a higher weight when it hits
or a higher impact.
Yeah, the impact of it is like makes it a higher weight. And you know how I know that? I jumped off a high dive one time.
Why would you jump off a high dive?
It was a dare. And so, yeah, isn't that cool? See?
Yeah, it is separating. I think I should add a little more because it looks like it's going side.
It's prettier.
Basically, this coloring is pretty.
What? Yeah, you're going to do it that way.
He doesn't even like blue a little. Basically, God used blue. So you can't see blue, that's horrible.
So I turn my deer's lights on.
Okay, I guess that's enough. It's enough.
You can do more than that, honey. We got a big bottle. Huge
bottle, but you need this. You need this.
Oh, you're being conservative. That's nice of you. Okay.
What is that?
You don't have to be conservative of that water.
Okay, so now that we have done the dish, I forgot to do the, what do you call it? Vegetable oil. Yeah,
wait,
I forgot
water?
to do.
Is water next? What's on next?
Never mind, guys. Actually, it's water next.
Look at your list. You already wrote out your list there.
Yeah, it's water first. I forgot the vegetable oil. So the vegetable oil actually is 0.91 in density.
Okay, what's water?
So water is 1.00.
Okay.
So since water is clear, we're just going to add a little color in it.
Yeah.
Like 1 or 2 drops of food coloring, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do like...
Try 1 and stir it up and see how colorful it is. Yeah, maybe 2. That's pretty strong stuff. Yeah. You can add 1 more, I think, maybe.
And you might use a spoon or a plastic fork to mix it. So I think I should... Sometimes I try this part.
Doesn't matter.
Because it looks good.
Oh, you could add another drop. Make it pretty.
Oh, yeah, another drop, I guess.
According to what shade of green you want.
Light green.
Light green? Okay.
A little darker green, though.
Careful, don't get it on your clothes. Okay.
Yeah, so when you're mixing it, you should use glove just in case if it doesn't get...
I kind of wish we'd done red now for that layer because it's so close to the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Oh well. Hopefully you can tell the difference.
Yeah, you can try, I guess. Now we just gotta... Now I gotta put it on the... Here, so it doesn't spill, just in case it doesn't spill. So I guess I gotta...
Turn it sideways.
Let me do my right.
Use that little blue cup that I gave you.
Oh yeah, that blue cup. Where is the blue cup? Oh, there it is.
One.
How am I going to get that now?
Sorry. You're going to need another one for later, aren't you, for the alcohol?
Nah, water probably goes out really fast.
Do it over the paper towel. Yeah, you are. Sorry. A little bit at a time. Yeah. No, you fill that up. Do 1 full cup at a time.
Okay, 1 full cup coming right up.
It rhymed. It is
a rhyme thing.
Remember to tilt it and let it run in slowly.
Yeah, I'm going to tilt that. I'm going to tilt this bottle.
There you go.
I'll tilt you up.
You're doing good, Alan.
Yeah. Just make sure it doesn't go on the middle before it runs down. So basically, I forgot how much I'm supposed to pour in. How much cups should I pour in?
All of it.
Okay, I guess all
If you
of it.
can pour it directly in there, you can. If you want to,
I'm
but
gonna
just
wing
go
it.
slowly, just so
I'm
it
just
doesn't.
gonna wing it.
Okay, so go slow.
Maybe I should wing it because it's basically the same.
Uh-huh.
There we go. I'm winging it. It's working, I think, a little bit.
Hold it over the paper towel.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it over the.
I mean the whole bottle, because the
Okay.
edge, yeah, there you go. Because if it pours down the side of it, oh look, it's, yeah, see, the more you have in there, the more you can tell, the more you can see the layers. You can see how it's sitting on top of the dish soap now.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, basically it's like
See how it's
sides.
separating back
like
out?
Side, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Like if you were like right here, right now, like in this house, you could see a little line between the corn syrup and the honey.
Here,
And then if I could just wait a little, it'll probably go back into shape. So now next is vegetable oil. Woo, vegetable oil.
I was trying to get a picture of the. Can you hold that up maybe to the camera?
Yeah, I'll
Maybe
hold
put your
this up.
hand
Yeah, I'll
behind
hold
it
it
or
up.
something. Hold it a little closer to the camera. Let me see if I can zoom in to you too.
So this is
Oh
all.
yeah, yeah. You can see the layers better.
Yeah, now you can see the layers.
Okay. All right. Keep going. Doing good.
So now we're gonna. Should I pour the whole thing in or half of it? The whole thing?
Yeah, all of it. But
Do I just dump it in there?
sorry, I got something sticky on my hand.
Do I dump it in there? Do I just dump it in there, or do I
Sideways.
just sideways?
Because you know that I'm just like, for some reason I keep thinking that oil is going to be heavier than water. It just amazes me that it doesn't. Yeah. See how it floats? And that reminds me of when we have oil and vinegar salad dressing. They always separate, and I always think of density when I think of oil and vinegar. That is so cool.
There we go.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that is so cool right there. There's the dish, there's the water. It looks cool to me. I don't know if you can see it from here though. So
Yeah, take a picture.
after vegetable oil, it's olive oil. Okay, so we gotta take a little of this. Should I pour it in the cup or should I pour it in here?
The olive oil? No, pour it directly in there, but do it on the side again. I would say.
Okay.
But
So
no,
a
don't
little
waste a lot of the olive oil.
Yeah, so I
Because
guess
it's expensive. That's why.
okay. So I just do 1 cup, 1/3.
In there.
Just
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, because otherwise it'll mix with the other. in
Yeah,
that
I
way.
might stand for this one again.
I'll tell you when to stop. And I don't want you to waste any more of it. It looks like it might be mixing with the other, but hopefully it'll separate out.
Yeah, I
The
hope.
olive oil should be lighter, right?
Yes.
They were pretty close in numbers because there was different densities of the different olive oils.
Do I
remember?
stop now?
Yeah, stop now. Yeah, the olive oils had different densities. There was some that had
There we go.
lighter and some that were darker.
Okay.
mean-
And also make sure you actually put the cap on.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cap on.
Oh, and that reminds me, what was the one thing you want to make sure you have with you when you're doing a science experiment?
Oh yeah, you're supposed to have an adult as well.
Yeah, right. And it's because you never know what'll happen.
Oh, I'm trying to see if they separate, but if I try to, I need a little
Yeah, I
darken
think
it up.
it's separated.
Yeah, they do look
I think so.
separated.
I think
Because
that the
basically
vegetables lighter.
right there is lighter, and then the up here is dark. Yeah, I can see the light in the dark. I
Yeah,
can see
yeah.
them right there.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
So now next is alcohol, and the reason why I have a little thing on top of it was because its smell was way too strong. It's very too strong. I did not like it. Blech. Blech. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. No. Wait, you gotta color it.
Oh my god, I almost forgot that step.
Because of the smell.
That's
right?
why you always have to have an adult right there.
No, just to make sure that the
So
alcohol
let's
doesn't.
do 3, I guess. 1,
Maybe. Yeah, whatever you want, because the others are lighter colored, so I don't know.
2,
That's fine. It might be too dark. It could
3.
be-
I don't care if it's too dark.
You like blue,
As
huh?
long as it's blue.
Pretty. That's a pretty color, blue. Reminds me of the Dawn dishwashing liquid.
Isn't it the same as that?
It's pretty close. I wonder if they used that blue food color.
Oh, phew.
Oh, it stinks. Sorry. You need a mask, don't you? That's what you should have had.
But you don't have a mask.
Zip your zipper up over your nose.
Okay, maybe not. So I guess I pour the whole thing in there. I think it's burning my skin.
Really?
And I'm just joking.
I was gonna say, that's why you have gloves on.
It feels like it though. Oh shoot. Oh, I poured it all over my thumb.
See, that's why you wear gloves, so your thumb won't be blue.
So I guess I'll put it right here.
Very smart. Just be careful. Don't go too fast because it will run down the sides of it if you don't get it in the hole right. Trying to take pictures too while we're going through this.
Yeah, I can't believe we're gonna put this whole thing in. It smells so bad. Why do you guys gotta make us do this? This is like torturing.
Well,
right
we
now.
chose which things.
Yeah, I chose it, so it's basically my fault.
Okay, you can put
Yeah.
put the cup over
Woo.
so you don't have to smell it, honey.
I'm throwing this away.
Okay, you can
There's
throw it
no
away.
way I'm doing that.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, disgusting. It smells bad. Okay,
Sorry.
so I guess that's it, right?
Look at your list.
Yeah, alcohol is the last one, so this is all we got right now.
What about
So,
the other things you wanted to add?
the other things I want to add.
Do you have the marble there?
Oh yeah, we were supposed to drop in item. So here's the marble. So the marble basically, the marble is actually
I'll get
2.5 through 2.9, I guess.
So where do you expect it to land?
So if I can do a guess, if it's 2 point, I think it might hit near the honey or somewhere in the honey.
Wait. What is the honey?
The honey? The honey is 1.36, so I am thinking it might hit the honey.
Might?
Might.
Isn't
Or
it-
maybe.
Which is heavier?
Oh,
which is more
yeah,
dense?
I think, this
Which
thing
is more dense?
the marble.
Right, so what's it going to do?
It's going to pop down there.
Right, that's what it'll do.
Unless it's a surprise.
Yeah, we'll see. Did it go down?
It hit the ground, it hit the ground, it hit the ground.
It hit the ground, okay.
Okay, so here's where you have a Lego, but the thing is that we don't know the actual density of this, but we can have a little guess, see where it might land. What do you think, Tracy? What do you think it might hit?
I think it might go, but it's plastic. See, I'm not sure.
I think it's gonna hit water.
Because it doesn't have any air in it. It's like it's solid.
I think it might float.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's gonna float or if it'll go past the water to the oil. I don't know how heavy. I don't know how dense. We don't know its mass.
Yeah,
we
true.
didn't weigh it. And we didn't calculate the volume. So
I'm just gonna take a little guess and say.
What do you think?
Somewhere here in the vegetable oil and the olive oil.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you are so